Pull up in coupe, shooting a movie. Your bitch wanna do me, I'm fucking then hitting up Uber. I'm shipping her to you, she killing my groove. I'm not in the mood, I'm breaking the roof. Just for some money, all I want is them honeys. All I want is some honeys. Fuck that frontin' man, fuck that stunt. I'm back to this money, I'm back in the game. I'm chasing the bread, right ducking the fed. Watching these niggas that screaming out names. They pointing the finger, they won't take the blame. How you said drugs, get toe off and tell them the plug. You hitting my line, I'm blocking you, cuz. Had to get low, they watching us. Long distance through binoculars. Counting this cash like broccoli. Pull up on me, you can cop from me. Young Breeze, I'm a fucking beast. I'm knocking shit down like dominoes. I'm eating pizza, it's from Domino's. I'm killing shit like I'm at a show. Pussy nigga was a no-show. All in the booth and I'm spitting the truth. Pull up on me and I pull up on you. Stat like Reese, heed the truth. Stat like Reese, heed the truth.